Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a form in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Next to the website you want to add a form on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to create or to add a form in Hostinger website builder, it's simple. Just click on add section and here select between contact form or subscription form. First, I will start with the contact form. Click on it. Here select the contact form that you want to use or the contact form template. Let's use this dark one, or let's use this white one. And just like that, your new form is added. Here or now select this form, click on edit form. Here you can select between a standalone form which collects its own list of submissions, or a connected form. For example, if you have multiple forms and you want to connect them to a single list, just click on connected form and select your form from here, or your existing form from here. I will go with standalone form. Here you can name your form. For example, I will call it others trying to contact me. Here for the email notifications for submissions, just fill in an email inbox that you use a lot. From here you can view submissions lists, and in the fields tab you can edit, delete, add, or edit this form fields, like the name field, last name, email, and message. Let's say I only want first names, so I will click on this, call it first name, and this last name I will delete it, remove. And if you want a field to be required, you can just open it and click on check or enable this box next to field is required. Now from the button tab, you can edit the button text. For example, send your message. You can edit the button position using these arrows, and you can select the action that the visitor will see after a successful form submission. For example, you can show a message or link to a page on your website. You can also change the button style from here. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. You can also change the button style from here. For example, the field color, the text color, the text size or button size, the border, and so on. And from the animation, you can add animation to this form. This is a fade animation. This is a slide, scale. Let's go with the scale. Now close this window and don't forget to update website to publish this new form. Now let's view my website live. This is my form. As you see, there is a little animation. Now let's test this form. Then This is a test message. Send your message. Thank you. This is the thank you message. And this is the email message that I've received as the website owner. Congrats, you have a new message from this website. This form name. This is the contact first name, email, and also the message. Now, if you click on view forms, and this is the form submissions on this website, click on contact form instead of subscribe form, and you will see the form with this name or others trying to contact me. I have one submission. Click on view, and this is the submission, first name, email, paragraph, and date added. Then you can also delete it from here. And this is how to add a form in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.